TS93B for the pull side of the door. This is a contour design. It's got a clip over cover with end caps. The cover is held in position by the rib cover and it holds into the slots on the back plate here. The end caps can come off, slide off. They're held in position with the two clips over the end collars. We'll slide those back into position for the time being. On the product itself, as I say, this is the TS93B. You can see that on here it's got the B denoting it's a pull side operation. On the adjustments, we have 4 adjustments, surface mounted adjusted for latching speed, closing speed, delay action and back check. On the end here under this cover is the power adjustment. This can be adjusted either left hand or right hand to the plus to increase the power or to the minus to decrease the closing power. This is a cutaway of a cam action door closer. Happens to be a TS93. As you will see, this has got a heart-shaped eccentric cam in the centre here, held in place by 2 counter rollers and the 2 pistons. As the door is operated, the arm rotates over the door. It rotates the eccentric heart-shaped cam, pushing the piston up and compressing the spring. The fluid inside here is forced to the other side of the chamber, and by adjusting the closing valves, closing speeds, that adjusts how quickly then the door will close. Here we have a TS93 with a electromagnetic hold open channel. You can see this channel is slightly deeper than the previous standard channel. This is designed for use in corridor environments where you've got heavy traffic up and down corridors. It may well be public buildings, hospitals, schools, etc., maybe industrial environments. You provide the channel 24 volts and there is an adjustable hold open position in here, so you can adjust the hold open from 70 to 120 degrees. On power failure that will stand open, but on power failure that will then release and close the door into the frame and work like a traditional door closer. When the door is then open and the power is reset, the door will then hold open.